What does the name meaning of Shahid? What does the name meaning of Shahid? What does the name meaning of Shahid? The name Shahid means is beloved witness. The name Shahid means is beloved witness. The name Shahid means is beloved witness. Religion is Muslim. Religion is Muslim. Religion is Muslim. Lucky numbers 4. Lucky numbers 4. Lucky numbers 4. Suitable color is blue. Suitable color is blue. Suitable color is blue. Suitable stone is sapphire. Suitable stone is sapphire. Suitable stone is sapphire. Suitable day is Friday, Saturday. Suitable day is Friday, Saturday. Suitable day is Friday, Saturday. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.